So you're looking to get into vlogging, but maybe you're unsure on the best way to start creating your video content. You could be super excited about your video ideas and want to just jump straight into filming them. Or maybe the idea of creating a vlog seems to be daunting and you don't know where to start. Either way, if you want to create good quality videos, it's always a good idea to have a plan. Planning a video in advance will ensure that you are creating the best content for your viewers. It will potentially save you a lot of time in the long run, as you will be able to go into a project with a clear idea of what your video should include and why. Here at Vlogon, we've come up with 3 useful steps: the outline, the section plan, and the final script. These steps can help break down the planning process into something more manageable. And in this video, we'll cover the step number 1, the outline. So what is an outline? Your outline is essentially a brainstorm. It's a place where you can throw all your content ideas for a vlog, whether that be the topic, your knowledge, your research, and even your goals for the video. Figuring out what is your video's purposes is a great thing to have in your outline, as it can help with choosing what is the most important to include in the final script. Keep your outline simple and brief though. Remember, this is just the collection stage, your brainstorm, and the detail comes when you start writing your final script. Now you know what an outline is. Let's talk about how and where we suggest you create one. When I say brainstorm, maybe you think of a big bubble on a whiteboard or a spider diagram in the textbook. This can be helpful, but there are more effective ways of creating a vlog outline. There are many cloud-based services available that make editing and saving documents super easy. Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox are just few of this. In Google Docs, for example, you can compose your outline in bullet points, a clear and concise way to list your ideas. Most text editing softwares offer features like the ability to highlight important sections of the text, and many allow you to add comments to parts of your text too. Another advantage of making your outline virtually is the ability to add links to helpful research, subject-related quotes, or other relevant information you found on the web. You can also easily transfer these links to the description section of your final vlog, allowing your viewers to read more on the topic if they wish. Using a word processor like the one we mentioned means that your outline is easy to edit and change without having to cross anything out or start again. It also means that as long as you have an internet connection, you can access your document anywhere at any time on any smart device. So to recap, an outline is simply a brainstorming method you can use to compile all your ideas and research for a video in one place. And a great way to create and store an outline is by using a cloud-based word processor. And voila! Hopefully you now have a good grasp of what an outline can be used for and how you can easily and effectively create one. Don't forget that we have 2 more steps to the planning process of creating high quality and engaging vlogs. And the next video in this series we will cover how you can use your outline to help form step number 2, the section plan. Good luck and happy planning!
Hi, my name is Peter Wolf and I am the CEO of Vlogon. If you are someone who is thinking of building a career or perhaps a successful business boosted with vlogging, then we highly recommend you to pop over our website and check out our online courses that we've created just for you in this subject. There you can learn our exact methods that we use to create our streamline of videos. It is a well-detailed, practical workshop where you can learn everything you need to know about the planning process of a successful vlog post, regardless of the industry or niche you're in. Link in the description below. Use coupon code CAMEFROMYOUTUBE to save 10% off.